The invention of the computer is one of the most significant milestones in the history of technology. It revolutionized the way humans store, process, and communicate information. Today's digital world owes its existence to this invention, which evolved through the combined efforts of mathematicians, scientists, and inventors over several centuries. Early beginnings, mechanical calculators. The story of the computer begins long before electricity or modern electronics. Ancient civilizations used counting tools such as the abacus, developed around 2400 BC in Mesopotamia. Although simple, the abacus laid the foundation for future developments in computation. The next significant leap came in the 17th century, with mechanical calculators. In 1642, French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline, a mechanical adding machine that could perform basic arithmetic. Later, in 1673, German polymath Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved on this idea and created a machine capable of multiplication and division. Charles Babbage, the father of the computer. One of the most important figures in early computer history is Charles Babbage, an English mathematician, philosopher, and inventor. In the early 19th century, Babbage designed the difference engine, a mechanical device to compute mathematical tables. Though it was never fully built in his lifetime, it was a groundbreaking concept. Later, Babbage conceptualized the analytical engine, which included an arithmetic logic unit, control flow via conditional branching and loops, and memory, all essential elements of modern computers. His collaborator, Ada Lovelace, is credited with writing the first algorithm intended for this machine, making her the world's first computer programmer. Though Babbage's machine was never completed, his ideas were far ahead of his time and deeply influenced future computer development. The rise of electromechanical devices. In the early 20th century, technology advanced with the emergence of electromechanical computers. One of the earliest was the Z3, created in 1941 by German engineer Konrad Zuse. It is considered the first programmable digital computer. The Z3 used electromechanical relays and could perform floating-point arithmetic. Around the same time, in the United States, Howard Aiken and his team at Harvard University developed the Harvard Mark I computer, completed in 1944. It was used during World War II for ballistic and military calculations. The Mark I was over 50 feet long and weighed nearly 5 tons, yet it represented a significant step toward modern computing. The electronic revolution, vacuum tubes and ENIAC. The true leap toward modern computers came with the use of vacuum tubes, which replaced mechanical relays and significantly increased speed and reliability. The most famous early electronic computer is ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, developed between 1943 and 1946 by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert at the University of Pennsylvania. ENIAC was enormous. It filled a room and consumed massive amounts of power, but it was able to solve complex problems thousands of times faster than earlier machines. ENIAC was programmable and could perform a wide range of tasks. It was initially designed for artillery calculations, but later used for weather prediction, atomic energy research, and more. Its success demonstrated the potential of electronic computing and paved the way for future advancements. Stored program concept, the birth of modern computing. A pivotal development in computing came with the stored program concept, proposed by John von Neumann. In 1945, he outlined a new architecture in which data and programs were stored in the same memory. This architecture became the foundation of almost all modern computers. The first computer to implement this was the EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, followed by the Manchester Baby in 1948, which was the first working machine to run a program from memory. This concept allowed computers to be more flexible and easier to program, leading to a rapid evolution in their design and capabilities.